Hi, this is Jack Hamburger. I'm the CTO of Sensorum Health, and really happy to put together this little testimonial for James and the team at SWYM. We've been working with SWYM for a little bit over a year now. First on an initial proof of concept, and then a larger project for a BLE connected sensor system. And it's really been great working with the team at SWYM. Uh, they worked with us through kind of the initial ideation phases into the like requirements and scoping part. We aligned on a nice set of milestones, which they hit right on time, and followed up with if when we had any questions or things kind of if any issues arose. So the whole process there was great. We've continued to work with SWYM on a few other smaller follow-on projects, and as needed, we'll continue working with them going forward. So definitely recommend working with the team at SWYM. James is great, and yeah, it's been a great experience.